Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgan F. Welcome to Young Black Mists, where we talk all about marriage, money, and food. And today, because the holidays are closer than you think, I'm talking about foodie gifts that you can give to your friends, family, coworkers, neighbors, anyone in between. And you can be a little bit of a upcycler with the jars as well. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned. And while you're here, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and share. Okay, let's get into the video. First recipe is pasta sauce. So you will need 6 Roma tomatoes, garlic, as well as a yellow onion. Chop that bad boy up and place it on a baking sheet. You see I got my silicone mat. I'm ready to go. I put the garlic clove in the garlic bulb in aluminum foil because I'm gonna fold it up and roast it. This is all getting roasted at 425 for about 15 minutes. I actually went to 20 because my garlic needs to be roasted a little bit longer, as well as making sure those onions are nice and caramelized. So drizzle with olive oil, and then you're going to season with salt and pepper and oregano. Then after it comes out of the oven, you just blend it up and put it in a cute jar. Next up, we have our citrus infused olive oil, which is a cup of olive oil and 2 to 3 pills of lemons and limes or oranges. So just place your cup of olive oil in a saucepan and warm it to like medium low heat, and then you can add in your citrus peels, and as you can see, it's already starting to sizzle and bubble. We don't want any smokiness with the olive oil, so immediately take it off and let it infuse for at least an hour, but honestly the longer the better. And you will notice with this infused olive oil, it's going to be a little cloudier. That's totally okay. Just place these in some cute jars once it cools. Next up and last, we have our Agave Simple Syrup, which is equal parts agave and water. So I'm using a half a cup here and a half a cup of each, right? So this is going to be on, again, like a low to medium heat. And you're just gonna bring that to a nice simmer. You wanna make sure that your agave is dissolved within the liquid, much like a simple syrup. And once you've done that, it's gonna be about 8 to 10 minutes. So just give it a little time. It'll be fine. It's worth it. Now, once you get to this point and it's starting to bubble up a little bit, take it off the heat and allow it to cool and place in a cute jar. I hope you enjoyed those 3 easy foodie gifts that you can give to your neighbors, your family, your friends, all that good stuff. But before I let you go, if you're thinking, okay, what am I gonna do with agave simple syrup? I got you, boo. I got you. So there's this drink and it's called the bee's knees. And I loved it, but it has honey in it. So that's why I swipe out the agave. So I've got my glasses ready and I'm ready for a little cocktail. So what we need here, and I'm gonna make 2 drinks. So we're gonna need 4 ounces of gin. We're gonna need an ounce and a half of our agave syrup, and then we're gonna need about an ounce of our lemon juice. And in here I have my shaker with my ice in it, so we're getting ready to go. So I'm just gonna cut up my lemon and get it into this get it into this little cup so I can squeeze the juice out. I'm gonna squeeze the whole thing and then I'll measure it. I haven't had a cocktail like this in a really long time, so I am excited to have a cocktail because I'm usually a winey girl. So a cocktail just sounds really refreshing. Good job. Okay. 1 ounce, which will be 2 of these bad boys. So yeah, about the juice of a lemon. Then we're gonna do 4 ounces of gin. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, I'm so excited. 3, this is gonna make for 2 people also. Hope that was 4. And last but not least, our Agave Simple Syrup. 1.5 ounces. Oh yes. Oh! I'm excited. So obviously you can see I'm keeping this for myself, which is totally fine. Because sometimes you just need to treat yourself, you know? All right, we're gonna give it a good shake. Okay, that was just for your entertainment. I hope you liked it. Okay, got my glasses here. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh. Oh, there's a little left. Oh. Now, I'm no bartender, but I feel like that needs to be a little garnishy, you know, just a little love, you know? So I hit it with a little lemon peel for fun and flirt. And cheers to myself. Until next time, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see ya next week.